Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord door panel. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic panel removal tool to protect your vehicle's finish. A small pick tool can also be very helpful for intricate parts. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient, ensuring a successful removal. Next, let's tackle the fasteners. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel with your plastic tool. It usually pops right out. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Now, locate and remove all visible Phillips head screws. There's typically one screw inside the door handle cup and another behind the door pull, often hidden under a small cover. Take your time to find them all. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Start at the bottom edge of the door and use your plastic panel tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. Work your way around the sides, releasing the plastic clips one by one. You'll hear them pop as they come loose. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel straight up and off the window channel. Be careful not to pull too hard, as some connections might still be attached. Finally, disconnect any remaining components. You'll typically find two door handle cables. Unhook them from their respective levers. Also, unplug any last electrical connectors, like those for the door light or speaker. To reinstall your door panel, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips align correctly and all screws are tightened securely. Always test your window operation and door lock functionality before completing the reassembly to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.